Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to create a free Outlook email account. So first of all, go to a web browser and search for Outlook in Google and go to this first search result, microsoft.com ENUS, and the link will look like this. So in here click on this create free account. So in that case it will redirect you to this page, and here you have to add your email address name. So add your email account name, this one, and if it is already used, it won't let you create the account. So choose something different, and like you can use different word or different letter combinations, and click on next. And here you have to choose a password. So set your password and make sure to remember it, otherwise you won't be able to log into your account, and click on next. And here you can enter your name. So I add my name. So in here you have to add your country. So click on this arrow icon and select your country, and here you have to add your birth date. So in here you can enter your birth year, and you can select your birthday, and you can select your birth month by clicking these arrows, and click on next. And now it will ask you to solve this puzzle to prove you are human. So solve this puzzle. So now it will ask you to stay signed in. So that means it asks that next time you visit to Outlook website, do you need to automatically sign in instead of entering the password? So I select yes. So now it's loading the Outlook email. So now you can see I logged into my Outlook email and account is successfully created. So now I can send email to anyone. So if you find this video is helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. See you in the next video.